AI is changing how analysts work. Faster insights, better stories, less grunt work. In this video, we'll show you 5 powerful prompts transforming the world of data analysis. Just paste a cleaned-up dataset or describe the table and summarize this dataset in simple language. Highlight patterns, outliers, and trends. Perfect for when you're dealing with new data and want a quick overview before deep diving. Bonus tip: ask it to suggest potential KPIs based on your data. Now, data is only useful if you can communicate it. Try. Explain this chart like I'm 12. What are the key takeaways? This helps you craft narratives for reports, stakeholders, or executives who just want clear insights without the jargon. Noticed something unusual in your data? Use "I see a spike in sales in Q3, draft 3 possible hypotheses with reasoning." This helps you brainstorm causes and prepare for deeper analysis or stakeholder discussions. Now, if you need to compare customer behavior, campaign performance, or market segments, try compare segment A versus segment B based on purchase patterns, engagement, and demographics. AI will highlight differences you may not spot immediately. Great for presentations and strategy calls. Now, you've done the hard work, now make it presentable. Turn these insights into a 5-slide executive summary with headlines and bullets. Let AI build the story so you can focus on refining it. And there you have it, the essential and easy AI prompt for the analysts. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more analyst hacks, and drop your favorite AI prompt in the comments. Let's make data work smarter, not harder.